Introduction to Evolution of Management. The field of management has evolved over the years through contributions by scholars and practitioners who have developed principles, theories, and approaches to optimize organizational efficiency. Key milestones include scientific management, administrative theories, and human relations movements, each of which provided distinct insights into how organizations and employees can function optimally. Scientific management, introduced by Frederick in the early 20th century, aimed at increasing productivity through systematic analysis of workflows. Key principles of scientific management. Division of labor. Breaking tasks into smaller parts and assigning them to workers with specific skill sets. Standardization. Establishing clear standards for tasks, tools, and conditions to enhance efficiency. Scientific selection of workers. Hiring employees based on their skills and abilities related to the job requirements. Training and development. Training workers scientifically to ensure they perform tasks according to set standards. Cooperation between management and workers. Promoting harmony between labor and management to boost productivity. 2. Time and Motion Study. Frank and Lillian Gilbreth. The Time and Motion Study, developed by Frank and Lillian Gilbreth, aimed at improving efficiency by analyzing tasks to determine the best way to execute them. Major findings. Identified unnecessary motions in work processes and eliminated them, leading to reduced worker fatigue and increased productivity. Emphasized the importance of proper workstation design and workflow to minimize time wastage. 3. Gantt charts. Henry L. Gantt. Gantt charts were developed by Henry Gantt to streamline project management by providing a visual representation of work schedules. Key features. A Gantt chart shows the start and finish dates of project elements. It helps in tracking the progress of tasks over time. The chart facilitates better coordination and timely completion of tasks. 4. Bureaucratic theory. Max Weber. Max Weber introduced the bureaucratic theory, advocating a structured and formal organization with clearly defined roles and responsibilities. Key features. Hierarchy. A clear chain of command within the organization. Rules and regulations. Detailed and written rules govern organizational behavior. Impersonality. Decisions are made based on rules, not personal relationships. Merit-based advancement. Promotions and rewards are given based on competence and qualifications. 5. Administrative theory. Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol focused on the broader aspect of management, outlining functions and principles to guide managers. 5 functions of management. 1. Planning. Setting objectives and devising a roadmap to achieve them. 2. Organizing. Arranging resources, human, material, to accomplish tasks. 3. Commanding. Directing employees to perform tasks. 4. Coordinating. Ensuring all parts of the organization work together harmoniously. Controlling. Monitoring progress and making necessary adjustments. Fayol's Team Principles of Management. 1. Division of work. Specialization increases efficiency. 2. Authority and responsibility. Managers must have the authority to give orders, but also bear responsibility. 3. Discipline. Obedience and respect help maintain smooth operations. 4. Unity of command. Employees should receive orders from only one superior. 5. Unity of direction. A single plan should guide the activities of the organization. 6. Subordination of individual interests. Organizational interests should take precedence over individual interests. 7. Remuneration. Fair pay is crucial to maintain employee motivation. 8. Centralization. Decision-making authority should be centralized or decentralized, depending on circumstances. 9. Scalar chain. A clear line of authority from top to bottom. 10. Order. A place for everything and everything in its place. 11. Equity. Managers should be kind and fair to their employees. 12. Stability of tenure. High employee turnover is inefficient. 13. Initiative. Employees should be encouraged to take initiative. 14. Esprit de corps. Promoting team spirit builds harmony and unity. 6. Hawthorne Studies. Elton Mayo. The Hawthorne Studies, conducted by Elton Mayo, shifted the focus from task efficiency to understanding the human factor in productivity. Key experiments and findings. 1. Illumination experiment. Studied the impact of lighting on worker productivity, but found that social factors were more influential than physical conditions. 2. Relay assembly. Test room experiment. Increased attention and social interactions led to higher productivity, regardless of physical conditions. 3. Interview program. Revealed that worker attitudes and emotions greatly influence productivity. 4. Bank wiring observation room experiment. Showed the role of group norms in regulating productivity as workers restricted their output to match group standards. 7. Systems approach. The systems approach views an organization as a collection of interrelated and interdependent parts working together to achieve a common goal. It emphasizes the interactions between different subsystems, such as the internal environment, employees, machinery, and external factors, market, government regulations. Key insights. Organizations are open systems influenced by both internal and external forces. Effective management involves understanding the interdependencies and the ripple effect of decisions across the organization. 8. Contingency approach. The contingency approach argues that there is no one best way to manage. Instead, management strategies should vary depending on the situation. Key insights. Management practices must adapt to the unique circumstances faced by the organization. Success depends on identifying key situational variables, such as the nature of the task, organizational structure, and the external environment, and adjusting the management approach accordingly. Conclusion. The evolution of management thought has led to the development of various theories and approaches that have shaped modern management practices. From scientific management's focus on efficiency to the human relations movement's emphasis on employee well-being, these theories highlight the importance of balancing productivity with employee satisfaction. In today's dynamic world, managers must blend these approaches and adapt them to the unique challenges they face.